Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Bidda. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to share contacts from your Huawei device. Before you start the video, I'll ask you something there. Till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more this types of video. So let's start the video. First of all, open your phone application from your Huawei device. Then here below click on contacts. Then if you hold on here any number, you will not get here select option. So what you need to do here, click on three dot option, then go to settings. From here click on import export, then here below click on share contacts, then here click on select all. After that click on share. Now you can share by any of these medium. I'm gonna share with Bluetooth, so I'm gonna click on Bluetooth. Make sure your receiver phone Bluetooth is also open. Here click on enable, then click on your receiver device name and accept it from your receiver device. Now I'm on my receiver phone screen. If I here pull down my notification bar, here you can see I have already received this contacts file, so just click on it, then click on that file, then select here contacts and dialer, allow it. Here select any of these where you want to save these contacts, then click on OK. Now as you can see I have received all of these contacts. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.